Hello guys, this is a simple program calculate salary. It will calculate the salary of an employee. This is the problem statement. Calculate employee salary. Input is hourly rate, hours worked, and salary will be calculated for the regular hours and work up to 40 hours per week. And if the employee worked more than 40 hours, he will be paid 1.5% more than hourly rate for hours overworked, and display the hours work, hourly rate, regular salary, and overtime salary, and overall salary. This program is for beginners, and I'm going to implement it in C# console and then C# window form application. Let's begin. Worked is equal to int dot parse, and you can also use try parse so that if non-numeric value is entered, you can trap it. And let's expect in this program the user will enter valid input. Console dot read line. Okay, now hourly rate. Console dot write. Please enter hourly rate. Hourly rate, and this is double value, so parse it. Console dot read line. Okay, now calculations. First calculate overtime. So if hours greater than 40, so we calculate overtime. Overtime salary is equal to 1.5 multiplied by hourly rate and multiplied by hours worked and minus 40. So now set the or reduce the hours worked. Hours worked minus is equal to 40. Now regular salary. Regular salary is equal to hours worked multiplied by hourly rate. So now we sum them up. Sum up for total salary. Total salary is equal to regular plus overtime. Now output. Console dot write line. So we will output, let's say, employee salary. Let's copy this line to save little time. Okay, so here we will output hourly rate. Let's remove this. So hourly rate dot toString C02 for the currency symbol. Now hours worked. Hours worked are here. Now overtime salary. Let's organize it by aligning output. Okay, now overtime salary dot toString and pass the currency converter. This is regular salary. Regular salary dot toString and same converted to display it like currency with 2 decimal space. And overall grand total or total salary. Total salary to string and same C02, and that's it. Now stop the console string, otherwise it will close automatically. Console dot read line. When you press enter, this will exit. Okay, let's test it. This is the problem with antivirus. Okay, let it go. So this is our output screen. We will enter hours worked, let's say 40, and hourly rate 5. So this is our output for the program. Overtime salary is 0 because there is no overtime worked. Regular salary. Okay, I need to input this thing. Regular salary, what is wrong with it? Okay, now we will calculate overtime. So let's say we enter 45, this 5 hours of overtime, and the implies hourly rate is 15. So this is our calculation. Hours worked 15. Oh my god, need to retain this value. Okay, let me update. So hours worked, let's set another variable, int hours. Hours is equal to hours worked. Okay, now hours, this will retain the actual hours entered. Okay guys, calculation. Actually there was a bug here. I have set hours worked minus 40. It's supposed to be 40 because the overtime hours we have used here for the overtime calculation. Everything else is working perfectly. So that's it. This is simple employee calculator program, and you can enhance it with adding text and other things according to your needs. And this is a basic startup code. You can learn from it. Simple procedural programming in C#. Next I'm going to implement this same program using window form. See you in the next video guys. Have a good day. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.